Okay, so in these problems, we will be doing one-step equation. So these will be very quickly done because it just takes one step. Remember, when you're doing this, your goal is always to get the variable by itself. So we want to get x by itself. So to do that, we're going to do the opposite of what's being done to the x, which is either subtract 19, or you can also think of it as adding negative 19 to both sides. 19 plus negative 19 is just 0, so we can cancel that out. And that gives us negative 5 plus a negative 19, which is just negative 24. You can always check your work. Negative 24 plus 19, does that equal negative 5? Well, it certainly does, and so that's the correct answer. It's always a good idea when you're solving equations to go back in and check to make sure you got your answer correct. Number 2, this is x minus 4 or x plus a negative 4. So the opposite of adding negative 4 to x is adding a positive 4 to x. So if we add positive 4 to both sides, that cancels. You're left with x. Negative 21 plus 4 is going to be negative 17. This step is essential. It's called a transformational step. This is the addition property of equality that we're doing. And it's an important step to make sure you understand why you can use these algorithms to solve equations. So we check our answer. Negative 17 plus negative 4 does equal negative 21, so your answer is correct. 3 is a similar type problem. Make it a plus a negative 8. So add the opposite, add 8 to both, and you get a equals 14. Okay, we're not going to check any more of these. There's 3 more to do real quick. On this one, just because the variable is on the right side doesn't change anything. You just now work on the right side. You say I need to get the y by itself, so to do that I'm going to add 13. Which gives me 25, and I did that because negative 13 plus 13 is 0. And that's always my goal, is on the right side or the left side, wherever the variable is to create a 0, so that when I do y plus 0, I can get y, which is what I want. That's my answer. Okay, sometimes you need to simplify both sides of the equation first. And so this first one, x minus a negative 6, is just x plus 6. And then the second one, negative 17 plus 5, is just negative 12. And so we do the simplifying first, and that makes our life a lot easier. So now we're adding 6 to x, so we can either think of it as subtracting 6 or adding a negative 6. 6 minus 6 is 0, so that gives you x. Negative 12 minus 6, or negative 12 plus a negative 6, is negative 18, which is the correct answer. And then on number 6, you get b plus, well, again, simplify. You can simplify 12 plus negative 19, so go ahead and do it if you can. That gives you plus a negative 7 equals 0. Now, you can either think about this as being the definition of inverse property of addition, which means a number plus its opposite equals 0, which means b must equal 7, or show your transformational step of adding 7 to both sides to get 0 on the left side, so you get b equals 7. The most important thing when you're doing these one-step equations is to be really diligent about showing your transformational step and make sure you understand that the goal is to get the variable by itself with a coefficient of 1, which means a number in front of it as 1, which is just, y is the same as 1y.